Hello and welcome to the SwiftCalcs lesson on the Worksheet Window. In this lesson, we will learn how to create new worksheets in SwiftCalcs, and we will then be introduced to the active Worksheet window, including setting worksheet options and viewing and restoring revisions. Once you have logged into SwiftCalcs, you can create a new worksheet at any time by clicking on the red New Worksheet icon at the bottom right of the screen. Worksheets can also be created from the SwiftCalcs File menu. When a worksheet is created, it will be loaded on the screen, and the title of the worksheet will be highlighted. After you type in a title and hit the Enter key, the cursor will be brought to the first line in your worksheet. Note that when you create a new worksheet or open a worksheet, the URL in your browser will be updated to a URL that is specific for this worksheet. You can use this URL to directly load this worksheet in the future. It can also be provided to others, however, you will need to give them access to the worksheet through the sharing settings. Sharing is covered in a later lesson. An open worksheet can be collapsed by clicking on the title bar. This will return you to the worksheet listing. Other worksheets can be loaded by clicking on their title bars. When loaded, you can rename worksheets by clicking on the title in the title bar. Along the top of each worksheet is an informational section with quick views on important worksheet settings. The first column shows the current sharing settings, and clicking will open the sharing dialog, which is covered in a later section. The next area will show default calculation settings for this worksheet. Click this box to open the settings pane, where you can select the calculation mode, angle mode, complex calculation settings, and the default digit precision and unit systems for the calculation. The next column will show the current project location of the worksheet. Click this area to move the worksheet to another project location. The last option will show the date of the last update for this worksheet. It will also show the number of worksheet revisions that are available. Worksheet revisions are created automatically by SwiftCalcs as you change a worksheet, with a maximum of one revision every 24 hours. Clicking on this area will load a list of the revisions sorted by date. Click any revision to view. While viewing, you can restore or copy the revision. Finally, the menu icon at the right end of the title bar will load a context menu that allows you to access many of these same features. It also contains other options, including archiving, deleting, and creating copies. Join us in the next lesson, where we will discuss interacting with worksheets.